Good morning. Today we are going to see a new topic, that is goodwill. Goodwill, otherwise known as reputation or the good name of a company. The goodwill is the extra earning capacity of a business. What does it mean that the things as written here? The goodwill is the extra earning capacity of a business. Just you think that if you have good name or the reputation of any company, definitely the goods of the company going to be sell out or going to be disposed in the market very frequently. Indirectly you can say that the good name product, it's going to be sell frequently in the market, definitely they will earn good profit. So that's why the goodwill or good name is the extra earning capacity of a business. Say example that's iPhone, and if you're comparing with that Realme phone, so that iPhone having good reputation, so that's why in the market the reputation of the goods, the quality of the goods also good. Actually people relying it, people thinking that the goods having some reputation, so that's why the profit of that iPhone far more than the Realme company. Next is that classification of goodwill. Goodwill can be classified into two categories. One is that purchase of goodwill. What does it mean, the purchase of goodwill? Purchase of goodwill is nothing but when you are going to purchase any business, you are purchasing the name of the business also. Indirectly, if you purchasing any company, you are purchasing of the company's assets, you are paying off the company's liabilities, as well as you are purchasing the reputation of the company. That means you are purchasing the name of the company. If you purchasing the name of the company, it might be good name or bad name. So definitely when the good name is there, that is known as the purchasing of goodwill. Next one is the self-generated goodwill. If you have your own business, you are not purchasing, you are running your own business for a long while, and definitely after a passes of time, your quality of good, customer care, or that your way of activities of the business is far better than the other business, so that day by day your goodwill, good name increasing. If your good name of the company increasing, definitely you can earn more and more profit. I told before only that one example, that iPhone example. Say example here also, that iPhone company day by day increasing the goodwill, that means good name of the company, so that good name increases, reputation increases, the profit of the company also increases. Next, come here, methods of valuation of goodwill. There are three methods we have. One is that average profit method, second one is super profit method, and third one is capitalization method. This capitalization method again categorizes into two parts. One is that capitalization of average profit method, capitalization of super profit method. If I am summarizing all method, now you can find easily that average profit and super profit, these two method only. Where the capitalization you are finding, no, again capitalization of average profit, capitalization of super profit. How you could remember that all 4 points? Simple, that average profit method, super profit method, you remember that. After that capitalization method, again capitalization of average profit, capitalization of super profit. Now see point number 1, average profit method. So average profit method. Average profit method is that method where we are calculating goodwill by the way of calculating of average profit and into number of year purchase. Now see that goodwill equal to formula is average profit into number of year purchase. But remember that in this exclude abnormal profit or gains and losses. So abnormal profit or abnormal losses we should exclude from there. Why this happened here? Just you think, now we are finding the goodwill, that is good name, good reputation of the business, and the good name and the good reputation it's bring or it's raising in the company by year of year. That means by the way of your work, by the way of your transaction, by the way of your all management, that you are increasing your value, you are increasing your reputation. By the way where that if any abnormal thing happens, say example due to flood, due to earthquake, due to some fire, that you lost some goods, you lost some profit, for that purpose your goodwill is not reducing, for that purpose your goodwill is not destroying. The thing is that profit could be possible to be minimized, or can say that could be possible to be reduced. But if you using this abnormal profit or abnormal gain, no, that it's shown, if you include the abnormal profit, it's shown your profit increases. Your profit increases, definitely your average profit is also it's shown more, and your goodwill also shown more. If you include your abnormal losses, at that time also again that losses you have considered, so that means you already subtracted the amount, so that your goodwill shown less. But normally it's not happen, because it's an abnormal one. It is not coming every time. It is not recurring. It is non-recurring in nature. So every time it will be not happen to your company. So for that purpose, abnormal profit or abnormal gain we are not considering for calculating of goodwill. Again, calculate of goodwill. Goodwill is a good name, and the good name it's not destroyed or cannot gain for any abnormal profit you have in your company. That goodwill or the good name you are earning or you are achieving after year and year due to your service provided to the customer, due to your quality of goods providing last year and year, like that. So that's why goodwill increases. Due to that any abnormal profit or abnormal losses, your goodwill not to be increased, your goodwill not to be destroyed. So that's why abnormal profit or losses we are exclude from that. Now one question we are going to see here. Let's see. The total capital of the firm was rupees 1 lakh rupees. Here the name of the person in the firm not given, because of we not required also this capital. Because of the which method we are following here? Average profit method. So we need average profit. So average profit, how we get that? Definitely out of the last year profits we can get average profit. Let's see that things is there given or not. The net profit for the last 3 years were 2013-14 40,000, 14-15 46,000, and 15-16 52,000. 3 years profit already given here. There was an abnormal loss 3,000. Just you think now, abnormal loss, that means of what? It's already that amount subtracted from the profit. In which year? In year 2014-15. Goodwill of the firm was to be valued at 2 years purchased. 2 years purchased. The formula of the goodwill is what? Average profit into number of year purchase. Number of year purchase, that means of 2 years purchase. 2 years already given here. Of the average profit of last 3 years. So last 3 years profit given to you, you should calculate average profit out of that. Calculate goodwill of the firm. Let's see that. First we are going to find out here average profit. So average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. Now find out the total profit. I am finding here the total profit. See here 2013-14 we are having here 40,000 here. Next one is 14-15. If you finding no 14-15 year, check that the profit was 46,000. But in that 14-15 one abnormal loss. Abnormal loss means is already subtracted, so that exclude that thing. So I should do what? I should add back again. So that's what I have done here. 2014-15 46,000, add 3,000, that is abnormal losses. I hope understood. Why abnormal losses I added back? Because due to some reason, some of the abnormal losses, that amount already subtracted. And I told you abnormal profit and abnormal losses does not affect the goodwill, does not affect the reputation of the firm. So that's why this will be excluded, this will be not considered. So if the losses is there already, it has subtracted. So I am again adding back. So that's what I have done here. 46,000 plus 3,000, that is 49,000. I hope understood. Next part, that the last year, that is given here 52,000, 15 and 16 52,000. So the 15 and 16 52,000. Total profit I am calculating here. I get here 1,41,000. Now find out the average profit. How many years profit are there? 3 years. So that average things is that what? How to calculate? Total profit, number of years. Number of years, how many years? 3 years. 1,41,000 divided by 3. And you are getting average profit is 47,000. I hope understood up to this. 47,000. Now as per the goodwill we are calculating, goodwill equal to average profit into number of year purchase. average profit into number of year purchase. Average profit already we got that 47,000, and number of year purchase already we have here 2 years purchase. So 47,000 into 2, 94,000 is our goodwill as per the average profit method. Now let's see the next method, super profit method.